My name is Robert Hetsler, and today we're going to be talking about a hot topic in divorce, which is parent alienation and parent alienation syndrome. While I'm not an expert in parent alienation, we do have an expert with us today. We're fortunate enough to have Dr. Amy J.L. Baker, who is a nationally recognized expert in parent-child relationships, especially children going through a divorce, as well as parent alienation syndrome and emotional abuse of children. Dr. Baker has a Ph.D. in developmental psychology and is the director of research at the Vincent J. Fontana Center for Child Protection. Dr. Baker has been involved in authoring or co-authoring at least 3 books. We have one today entitled Adult Children Parental Alienation Syndrome. Hopefully you can see that. We'll have more information on the book at the end of this video segment. If you're interested in picking up the book, we'll provide you information so that you can do that. Okay, good. Well, what we're going to try to do today, the goal is to tap into this base of knowledge that Dr. Baker has and find out a little bit about parental alienation, what to look out for, and all the issues that may go, that come around in divorce with parental alienation. So without further delay, Dr. Baker, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
I'm going to kind of ask you, because again, I'm not an expert. Can you just give us a brief definition of what parental alienation is?
Yeah, there are a couple different terms and they're used interchangeably, and it can be sort of confusing. So the first term is parental alienation strategies.
Okay.
Those are behaviors that a parent exhibits intentionally or otherwise that undermine the child's relationship with the other parent and can result in a child turning against that other parent when that rejected parent has done nothing. If a child rejects a parent who's abusive, we call that a healthy response. That's not alienation. But some
Okay.
children reject a parent when that parent has done nothing to deserve being rejected by their child. We call that parental alienation. So when a child is exposed to parental alienation strategies and they succumb to the manipulation and pressure and they reject a parent who does not deserve to be rejected,
Sure.
and that child exhibits 8 behaviors, we call that parental alienation syndrome.
Okay, so we understand the difference there. Well, how common is either the syndrome or the strategies in someone getting a divorce with children? Is there a percentage, or in your research, what do you think?
We can piece together different facts from different studies and come up with some estimates, but the truth is we don't have any major epidemiological studies or nationally representative samples where we can say X percentage of kids are likely to have the syndrome. What we know is in about 80% of divorces, there's some parental alienation strategies going on. It's fairly common. And the truth is, even, it's very hard to share a child. So even in a happy marriage, some parents do things that unfortunately undermine the child's relationship with the other parent. When there's a divorce, it's sort of no holds barred, and there's less of a motivation to try to support the child's relationship.
Sure.
So we say about 80% of cases, there's some alienation strategies going on.
Hi, I'm Dr. Robert Hetsler, and thank you so much today for watching one of our sample videos. After watching one of our sample videos, I'm sure you can agree that all the information that would be included in the members area is so much more valuable and so much more intense. I encourage you today to go to divorceprocess.co, where you can get all the information, have immediate access to all the great content and information that allow you to make good and informed decisions when going through your divorce. Again, that's divorceprocess.co, and I look forward to seeing you inside the members area. Thank you.